If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Alright, so we still have a target down to 10.66 for Dogecoin, and this target comes in from this mini bear flag that we had back in from the date of 17 December all the way to 19 December. And Solana for that reason came down like this, move a little bit sideways right there, and probably broke down like this, came down, back tested this level, and it's looking to drop down there. However, it's actually working pretty much fine to me. It does really look like we're still gonna move down here, because when you're gonna move down, of course it won't go down straight like this, but it's actually meant to go wavy, in a wavy journey. So go up, come down, go up, go down like this, go up again, and then from here look for another impulsive move up, and then finally go down there. But we don't stop there, right? Because there's so many things on the weekly time frame. Again, this is a pattern that I've been able to show you previously as well for this coin, and we've had this accumulation zone, went up, reaccumulation, distribution right here, come down, redistribution, go redistributions here, and move down. So we're looking for that big mark down right to this point, to nearly $4.8, and $4.8 is in play because I've talked about this one before, and if you look at the weekly time frame, it's very clear that Solana right now is still looking to push lower. Now I'm still surprised Solana didn't actually pump to 12.13. For some reason I was expecting Solana to come to $12, which is actually the place where you lost this trend line. When you lose that trend line, just pump a little bit back up to backtest $12 and then get rejected to move down to 4.7 or $4.8 if that's where the interest is right now. So I'm just looking at some few altcoins, looking at Solana as well, and yeah, so we're going to see 10.66 is coming hopefully, and that's pretty much it for this update right now. And then in the future we could even be getting $9, because I still want to talk about the reversal wave. So let's take the bottom here to the top right there. I do actually expect reversals to the downside, and yeah, 9.7. So two technical targets are in play. You can see we lost the golden ratio, put a tick in here. We're looking for this 1.618 move down to 9.07. Not only do you have that, you have this bear flag that actually takes you to 10.66, and you can see there's no any support right here. In fact, you're just losing that wick down there, and this wick is also a stop loss that is about to get taken. That actually still shows 9.07 comes in. We can actually have a little bit of reaction at $9, maybe back up to $10, and then continue all the way down. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.